Welcome the students in science class. Class 7, Unit 6, Heat. Topics: heat, temperature and thermometer, transmission of heat, conduction, convection, radiation, thermos flask and its uses. Heat. Heat is the form of energy which gives sensation of warmth. Heat is the total kinetic energy present in the body. Its unit is joule. It is measured by calorimeter. Heat transfers from hot body to cold body. Temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called temperature. Temperature is the average kinetic energy present in the body. Its unit is degree Kelvin. It is measured by thermometer. Thermometer. The device used to measure the temperature of an object is called thermometer. Principle of thermometer. Fluid expands on heating and contracts on cooling. Structure. Thermometer has bulb, stem and capillary tube. Bulb consists thermometric liquid like mercury or alcohol. Capillary tube is fine tube found inside the stem of thermometer. When bulb of thermometer get heated, fluid expands and increases its level. In this way, the temperature is measured. Mercury is used as thermometric liquid because mercury has distinct silvery color. It is very sensitive to heat. It can measure from -39 degrees Celsius to 357 degrees Celsius. Alcohol is used as thermometric liquid because alcohol can be easily colored. It is very sensitive to heat. It can measure from -117 degrees Celsius to 78 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of water cannot be measured by alcohol thermometer because it itself boils at 78 degrees Celsius, which is lower than boiling point of water. Transmission of heat. Heat transfer from hot body to cold body is called transmission of heat. Heat transfer by following ways: conduction, convection, radiation. Conduction. The transfer of heat without actual movement of molecules is called conduction. It takes place in solid. Example: heating of iron rod. Convection. The transfer of heat with actual movement of molecules is called convection. It takes place in liquid. Example: boiling of water. Radiation. The transfer of heat without any medium is called radiation. It takes place in vacuum. Example: the heat got from sun. Thermos flask. The instrument which keeps the hot liquid hot for longer time is called thermos flask. It keeps hot water hot for some days. It consists of doubled layered glass bottle with vacuum between them. Silver layer is coated on glass surface to control the radiation of heat. So it keeps hot liquid hot for some days.